Can you handle the spice? Can you handle the heat, guys? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the spiciest fried chicken recipe ever. Stay tuned, guys. Here are my lovely ingredients, guys. So here I have some all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of Szechuan seasoning. Here I have my chicken, my freshly cut chicken. This is half a chicken. So here I have 1 chicken breast, but I split it in half, poke some holes, and that's gonna allow the seasoning to soak right in. I have me a drumstick, a wing, and a thigh. All right, so the chicken is already clean. I washed it with some vinegar, mixed with water, rinsed it off a few times, and it's pretty good right now. Here I have half cup of Frank's hot sauce mixed with some water. So you have a total of half cup. All right. Here I have some Scotch bonnet pepper, 2 Scotch bonnet pepper, and 2 habanero peppers. And over here I have my baking powder and cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to add a little crispiness to the chicken, to the crust. And the baking powder is going to add that nice soft texture as well. So it's going to be a little bit of both soft and crispy, and it's going to be super spicy, because that's the main goal of making this video today, guys. We're attempting to make the world's hottest, spiciest fried chicken ever. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're going to add our peppers to the blender, and then we're going to add our sauce mixed with water. Close it up, and then we're gonna blend until it's nice and smooth. All right. So you want to go ahead and mix the seasonings together, and once it's nicely combined, fully mixed, then we're gonna add it to the chicken. And before we add it to the chicken, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder to the mixture. Mix it again. And then we're gonna add this to our chicken. Go ahead and sprinkle it on. Just like that. Flip it over. You want to make sure the chicken is nicely seasoned. And after we add our dry seasoning, the cornstarch, baking powder, we're going to add our spicy mixture, our hot sauce that we made. Our Scotch bonnet pepper, and the habanero pepper with the, what else? What else did we add? We added Frank's hot sauce with some water. Yes, guys, so the chicken is looking nice and golden right now. This is the color we're looking for. All right, so now we're gonna add the spiciness. And guys, make sure you're wearing some type of gloves or face mask, whatever you gotta do to protect yourself, protect your eyes, your nose, because the aroma from this right here, my God, whoo, it's crazy. So we're gonna let this marinate just for 30 minutes because we're working with limited time right now. All right, this is a quick and easy recipe, guys. But the longer you marinate it for, the better it's gonna be, the spicier it's gonna be, because that's gonna soak right in all the seasoning, all the spices, gonna soak right in, baby. All right. So let it sit 30 minutes, and we should be good. Then we're gonna add our flour, drop it in the oil, and we're Gucci. Stay tuned. Add your flour, guys, to a bag. Or you can even use a container. I prefer to use a bag. And then we're gonna add our chicken. We're gonna drop it right in. And then we're gonna shake. Shake and fry, baby. Once your oil is nice and hot, guys, you wanna make sure you turn your stove to about a high heat, just to get your oil nice and hot. After that, you want to turn it down to about a medium. Drop in your chicken and fry for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the internal temperature, guys, gets to at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and drop our chicken right in. Drop it in. And like I said, guys, we're gonna fry our chicken for about 10 to 12 minutes. I'm already smelling this, you know, the spice, you know, oh my God, wow. Yes, guys, this is a must-try recipe, guys. If you're looking for an easy fried chicken, you know, spicy fried chicken recipe, this is it right here. You won't be disappointed. Leave a comment in the comment section, guys, and let me know what you think about this recipe. All right, so we still have about 10 minutes of frying left, so stay tuned. You know, grab your popcorn, your drinks, or whatever you need to do, and keep watching the video, guys.
So instinctive and passionate. Every word I move so restricted like an accident. I gotta bend better against people who patent it.
All right, guys, so this is how your spicy fried chicken should be looking right now. It's crispy, you know, juicy, golden brown. It's just perfect, guys. So we're about to take a bite, and I'll let you know how it turned out. Wow. Oh my God. This is spicy. Wow. This is a must-try recipe, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.